XLM, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy since the price was within here, and this is what we get. And we mentioned the first target we're looking for is 31. As we can see, the price almost tag. Then we see the price drop. All right. Now, want to see what's the next. If we put this stop in relative to the previous one, if we refer to the indicators, we see we had a divergence and as well here. All right. Now, I want to see what's the next. For those traders, still, if they take out in the profit, is good for them. If still they're keeping the trade, at least move their stop loss to break even. And right now we're looking at this correction. All right. And if anyone got the sell from here, I think they need to manage it now. Still, we can look for continuation. No one see what's the next. We move to daily chart. And based on daily chart, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal. We mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And with the breakout of the 44 cent, the targets we can look for is 50 following by 58. But if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned we can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time before we see the reversal. That means we can expect to see the next drop. All right. Since we get this sharp following by reversal, we can expect to see one more drop. So may this one is as example. It's not a really good example, but we can consider. That's why right now, if anyone wants to keep the trade for buy, they should know how to manage it. Or the best things based on lower time frame, they take out the trade in the profit, then we look for the next opportunity. All right. If anyone wants to look for sell, we need to consider as a short term. And what I'm looking for right now, I'm considering this one. I prefer this one, turn to deeper move in relative to this. I consider for the flat, well, for one move up. Then from there, we consider this one in relative to this. I don't think we can put this move in relative to this, right? And I don't think this is the one is going to retest the previous low. It doesn't mean the price cannot drop, but if you want to look for trade setup, we prefer this one turn to a deeper correction. Then we can look at this one as a flat, as in relative to this, to see one move up. In the next move, for if the price could break this zone, then we confirm with an uptrend. But if we see the price reverse as a corrective, then from there we can look for sell. That means if we get any opportunity for buy, still we will take it. The best thing is if you move to 1 hour chart, all right, to make it very simple. If the price is going to drop as a corrective, I just let it go. But if I see any reversal as a sharp move flag, I will take it. And having entry above this can be an option in case the price sharply tag, break, and continue. But if the price tag we see is not moving, we shouldn't keep the trade more than 2 hours. And with the breakout of the previous stop, if we see the continuation, the price could break this zone, it's good for us. If not, then from there we can look for sell. That's me right now. Any opportunity for buy, we'll take it, and sell, we are not really interested unless we see any changes. Anyway, we just followed the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.